Okay, hi everyone, we are from Team 2. Hereby, in this opportunity, we would like to review and having a further discussion about the draft of criminal law, Rkuhp, regarding on the humiliation to the president. Let us first introduce ourselves. I am Rifki Ananda with student number 220200249.
Hi, my name is Mayetta Ginting, but you can call me Fanny. My student number is 220200464. Nice to meet you guys.
Hello, my name is Trisandra Selanova Purba. My student number 220000235.
Hello, my name is Fadli Azis. My student number 2202000089.
Hello, my name is Novan Purba. NIM 2202000224.
I'm Kesya Nathasa Nainggolan with student number 220200429.
Before starting the discussion, we have to make sure that we know what criminal law is, because this topic will further discuss about criminal law. What is criminal law then? Based on Britannica, criminal law is the body of law that defines criminal offenses, regulates the apprehension, charging, and trial of suspected person, and fixes penalty and modes of treatment applicable to convicted offenders. Simply, criminal law is one of the public laws representing the public interest, such as punishment for stealing, robbing, murder, defamation, and others. All provisions of criminal law are sourced from the criminal code, or in Indonesia, we know it as KUHP. Recently, the public was shocked by the ratification of the criminal code bill, or known as Rkuhp or RUU KUHP. The particular reason for the circumstances is that there is a bunch of controversial articles such as humiliation upon the president, which contained in Article 218, humiliation upon state institution, which contained in Article 349, prohibition on extramarital sex on Article 413, Section 1. The draft of KUHP is considered to be unconstitutional and elastic for a society. Therefore, through this discussion, we will demonstrate and give our opinion regarding to the public issue, as well as the draft KUHP about the humiliation of the president that has been ratified. Fanny, please recite the article of 218.
Okay, it states in Article 218 that any person who publicly assaults the honor or dignity of the president or vice president shall be subject to imprisonment for a maximum of 3 years and 6 months, or a maximum fine of category 4. Based on this article, we can highlight the word assault the honor or dignity of the president or vice president as the point of this article. I have an issue with that word actually. It's because there is no explanation regarding on what kind of things that are identified as the assault of president honor and dignity.
Well, in that case, we need to distinguish critique and humiliation. In order to spot the difference, we need to watch the video of podcast between Deddy Corbuzier and Yasona Lawli, Ministry of Law and Human Rights, about what things can be identified as critique or humiliation.
Di mana posisi perbedaannya?
Kalau mengkritik, that's a policy.
Oke, saya contoh ke Bapak boleh nggak?
Ya, well, please.
Saya aja ya Pak ya. Oke, saya bilang begini. Pak Yasona sebagai menteri kerjanya nggak benar.
Oh, that's perfect. That's kritik.
Boleh?
Boleh, sangat boleh.
Ya, oke. Maaf ya Pak ya.
Gak beres kerjanya, gak becus mengurus lapas. That's because
your work ya kan. Kalau saya bilang, maaf ya Pak ya. Maaf, ini contoh. Pak Yasona tuh tolol, gimana Pak?
Tolol masih related to apa?
To perception ya?
Perception working kan. Tolol tidak bisa becus, tidak becus.
Oke, masih.
But
berarti apa?
Me, anak si Yasona itu anak haram jada. Anak PKI, I'll get you. I'll get you. I'll make sure I'll get you.
Bajingan, serem banget ketika.
So, the main problem is people tend to elasticise the article, so it could go anywhere. To sum up everything that has been stated so far, it means as long as there is relevance proof on what you say to president or government's work, it is defined as critic.
I see. I have some follow-up question actually regarding on the video of Skinny Indonesian 24 about epic rap battle presidency between Jokowi and Prabowo. Is it count as humiliation or critic?
Well,
Jokowi, rakyat dibohongi, janji diingkari, amanat dikhianati, dasar boneka pede.
well, of course, it counts as critic. Any of you guys know why?
I know, maybe it's because the main for this video is to gain awareness of the people regarding on those two upcoming representative president and to show critique without attacking president honor and dignity.
Well, what if there's critic by some people to president, but most of the president sympathizer take it as a humiliation? Can they make a lawsuit for the action?
Well, that's a good question actually. This article is a petition offense article, which means only president or representative shall have the right to make a lawsuit. So we can say it's not public petition offense, instead it's absolute petition offense. It's because if it was publicly made, it could make this article may have multiple interpretation and subjectivity of law interpretation, same as the case you talk about.
I see.
Guys, something just come up into my mind. What are the reason or urgency why this article got ratified?
Good question. There are 6 reasons that are stated in academic manuscript of Rkuhp of why this article is being ratified. But I'll only tell you 3 of it that I think it could represent your question and answer your question. The first one, the importance of basic values that required to be protected against contempt is human dignity, which is one of the universal values that should be upheld. The second one, humiliation is essentially an act that is very despicable, seen from various aspects, morals, religion, social values, and human rights or human values, for attacking, degrading the dignity of humanity. The third one is, it is felt strange that the humiliation for ordinary people, that person, flag, national anthem, officer or general officer, etc., are made a criminal offenses, while humiliation against the president, none. So, the main reason why this article got ratified is to fulfill the emptiness of article regarding on the defamation against president. Thus, there is already an article for humiliation against civil, which contained in UU ITE Article 27 Section 3, and also there's a law that regulates an act of insulting flag and national anthem. But there are none of it that talk about the defamation of president or the humiliation against president. So the main point is to fill the emptiness.
I get it now. Thank you.
No problem. Is there any of you who would like to ask?
It's clear.
Clear.
Okay, since it's clear, I shall take my leave then.